Yo buddies, what's up? In today's video, I just want to share with you what's inside my camera bag. Two camera bags actually, and this is also going to be a mini review of, I believe, one of the best bang for the buck camera bags out in the market. And this is from Indonesia, and I got this from Shopee. This is the Honks 008 and the 008 Mini. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so like I said, I have here the Honks 008 and the 008 Mini. So I have all my camera gears inside of this. So let's start with this one first, okay? Alright, so what we have here is the Honks 008 Mini. Again, I purchased this from Shopee. This is not a paid video or a sponsored video. I got this for about 1,380. I'm not sure if I included the voucher on that one. I'll just put the information on the screen for you to check out. So I recently went to the Grand Lason R3 event, which is a mechanical keyboard community gathering. So what's inside here is all the things that I packed during that 2-day event. All right. But before we take a look at the inside of the bag, let's take a look around the external first, and let's discuss the quality of the bag itself. So here's the front side. We have a Honks logo right here on a leather material, and then we have a sort of velvet fabric here, which is really nice to touch. And the quality, I would say, is really good for a 1,380 Philippine pesos bag. Okay, so we have leather here, we have our buttons, there you go, and then here's how it looks on the side. We have buckles here. Again, like I said, very nice quality bag for that price. And then at the back, we have a loop here. I wish it has a holder here on top instead of this one, so that you can easily pick it up on this side. But because of the design, I guess they didn't want to put that here to have a cleaner look. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at inside the bag. I'll do this on this side. So we have two buttons. There you go. So the contents of this bag is actually unorthodox for a photographer, because I'm really not a pro photographer. I'm just a hobbyist. So most of the contents of this bag is for my personal well-being as a person with an anxiety. Okay, so I just want to put that out of the way. But later I'll show you how we can use this bag for all the camera gears, because I have my other camera gears here, and we'll do a mock-up packing later. All right, so first we have my bottle here. So this one is the Quench bottle. I think this is just 14 ounce. So it fits perfectly here on this side. There you go. And then since I'm diabetic, I always bring in a snack, which is Skyflakes, Buchanan. And then I also have here a Jisoo Life compact fan, but it's very loud, like a jet. But it's very handy. I use this once on our Grab car ride, and it's a lifesaver for someone with an anxiety. So I also have the Nothing Phone 2A Plus, which is I'm currently testing right now. So I also brought this to the Grand Lason event to take some sample photos. And if you're interested for the full review, please consider subscribing to this channel. And I also have some sample photos already uploaded on our Facebook page, which you can go ahead and check out as well, and please follow as well. Alright, so aside from that, here I have depleted baby wipes, because if you gotta go, you gotta go. And then aside from that, I have my IDs here. I won't show it to you, but I have my IDs. And then I also have my wallet, and I also have my card holder right here. So you can put a bunch of items here on this side. There's a pocket here. You can put a tablet. There you go. You can put other stuff here, and then but on the other side it doesn't have a pocket, only on the back side. So aside from that, I also have my AirPods, Apple AirPods on an ESR casing right here, which is also a lifesaver for traveling. Now I'm shooting this video using my Sony a7C II, so I won't be able to use that camera here, but just pretend this a6400 is the Sony a7C II. I have here my Tamron 20 to 40mm f2.8, which I recently purchased just for doing outdoor photography and of course event like the Grand Lason R3 event. This is a very nice lens and perfect for this kind of bag. As you can tell, I can fit it like that and it fits perfectly. So inside the bag, it comes with two adjustable dividers right here. And then it has 4 velcros, 2 in each side for you to secure those dividers. So aside from that, we also have 2 pockets here in front. Again, mostly it's about my personal well-being Now on this side, I have the BSI medicated spray because I have I suffer from fear of cramps, so I really need this when I'm having a muscle pain. Okay, so again, unorthodox. And then I also have a Reuma Salve liniment. I use this for if I'm having a hard time breathing, if I'm having a anxiety attack or panic attack, and I'm having hard time breathing, I roll some on my nose and it helps me breathe properly. So again, I have an anxiety, so I have all of this as a coping mechanism. So I apologize for that. I'm just being honest with you guys. I don't want to pretend that all of the things inside my camera bags are camera gears. Okay. So on the other side or on the other pocket, I have this casing that I put my battery, extra SD card, and I also have my DJI Mic 2 here just in case I want to do vlogging stuff. I think this is the case for the Ulanzi Falcam F38 mounting system. And then lastly, I also have a bunch of sugar-free candy right here, and of course a Diatabs. So I always have a candy on my bag, sugar-free candy, because I'm diabetic like I said earlier, and this helps with my anxiety as well, because if I'm having anxiety attack, sometimes my mouth gets dried up. So that's it for this bag. Again, I have a bunch of camera gears here, and we'll try to do a mock-up packing. Alright, so without the anxiety coping mechanism stuff, let's do a mock-up packing like a normal person would, so that you can have an idea what you can pack inside the Honks 008 camera bag. Alright, so I've already adjusted the dividers here so that we can fit two other lenses. So again, please pretend that this is the Sony a7C II, and then we have the Tamron 20-40mm. But since the depth of the camera bag is quite deep, I believe you can still, or you can even put longer lenses here, as you can tell, and you can even fit 85mm, 90mm. In fact, we have a Sony 90mm macro right here with a quite big lens hood. We can put it here in the middle, and then we have a Viltrox 24mm f1.8 lens here that we can fit on this side. There you go. So again, you can fit even longer lenses on this camera bag because of the depth, and yeah, you can even fit a fan, a bigger fan than the Jisoo Life if you want that. So you can also fit that there. Viltrox DC 550 Pro monitor, a light here. There you go, and of course your smartphone, power banks, and you get the idea. All right. So again, you can also put other things here, tablet, wallet, IDs, and all that stuff. So essentially, you can put two other lenses aside from your main camera and main lens right here. And then of course, on this pocket, you can put your, again, your microphones, batteries, SD card, and all that stuff. So again, like I said, this is one of the best bang for the buck camera bags out in the market. However, I would say that I wanted more compartments, small pockets. Maybe here on this side, you can put other stuff, maybe smaller stuff here for your SD cards. So, but for the price, I won't complain. Another thing, you can also put your water bottle here. There you go. Or on the other side, 14-ounce water bottle, no problem. You can easily close that. So you can fit a lot of things with this camera bag. Now, let's do a mock-up packing on the Honks 008 Mini, which is the smaller version of this camera bag. Alright, so right now we have the smaller version, the Honks 008 Mini. So if you want to have a more compact and discreet setup, this is the one for you. Alright, so it basically has the same materials except for the lack of the velvet cover here up top. But we do have a leather here, as well as here with two buttons as well. But we do have only one bigger compartment or pocket here compared to the two smaller compartment on the bigger Honks. Okay, but again, like I said, it does have the same build quality and materials used, at least most of it. Alright, so I have this setup right here which can fit the same camera system right here, and then you can put your smartphone here. You can still close that, and another lens. So let's try the 24mm 1.4 if it will fit. Yes, it does. Quite tight, I would say, but it can fit. But it's super tight. But again, if you want a more compact setup, you can do this. There you go. However, we won't be able to fit in a bigger lens like the 90mm macro. It's impossible to fit in this space. But if you remove your smartphone, you can probably fit in a bigger lenses. So let's try that. Also, with this setup, if you place your camera like this, it's also going to get a little bit harder to pull out your camera, as you can tell, compared to the Honks 008. But again, if you want a compact form factor. So here's the 90mm macro. Let's see if it will fit here. Barely, but it does fit. Alright, so just imagine if you have a bigger lens like this, you can squeeze it on this compact bag. Pulling it out is a challenge though. There you go. Now, I have another purpose for this bag actually, and this is with another lens that I recently made a video about, and that is the Viltrox 28mm f4.5 pancake lens. Look at this thing. It's super tiny, compact, and lightweight. So let's go ahead and do that setup right now. Look at this tiny lens. It's super cute, and the photos turned out pretty amazing as well. If you haven't watched my video about this lens, please go ahead and check it out after this video, okay? So with this setup, I can now adjust we can put the camera like this and put more stuff, maybe other lenses like this Tamron 20 to 40mm, and then put another divider, and even put the Sony. I think it will also fit. It's quite tight, but without the hood, it can fit. There you go. With this setup, I can bring two other lenses and a very compact camera right here. So yeah, the Honks 008 Mini is also a good option. Again, if you want to have a more compact camera bag or setup, and yeah, same materials and build quality. So let me know in the comments below, which one would you pick, the 008 or the 008 Mini from Honks. Again, I bought this from Shopee, but the seller is from Indonesia. I forgot to show you that you can also fit your camera monitors here, your light here, your smartphone, a bigger fan, your smaller compact fan, and pretty much anything that you can imagine that will fit on this space. So yeah, I'll put some links below so that you can check it out, and hopefully you got a thing or two from this video, guys. And this is just a spontaneous setup, and I think this video is going to be too long, but at least you get my genuine reaction. So thank you for watching. Subscribe if you appreciate this video, and see you on the next one. Have a great day, guys. And yes, again, like I said, we're going to do more camera gears and camera videos, camera lenses on this video. So if you're into that, please consider subscribing. So thank you for watching, and see you on the next one. Have a good day. Thank you.